Hi, it's me Shivanshi from Plastic Today magazine, and you're watching me on Plastic Today channel. So right now we are in Gujarat, Plexpo India 2025. So let's meet some visitors and exhibitors. So, how was your experience regarding this exhibition?
In a first day, the response is very good. Just after the inauguration of this exhibition, within 20 minutes, we sold out these two machines. And today, near about 20-25 customer visited to us, and we got the 11 another inquiries there. So response is very good right now.
The exhibition overall is good, and the crowd is very important for us, and overall experience is fantastic. Yeah, thank you.
If I say so, what's your personal thoughts if you want to say something on that?
See, for Gujarat, it's much better if they promote the some brand or some machines towards the other states and out of countries. So it's better. Yeah.
Yes, this is a very good regional exhibition, and here we are getting few new processor, as well as here we can meet our all the existing customer. So once in a year we can meet a good platform here to meet the people as well as our customer, and also find the few newcomers. They are looking for the new projects in the plastic industries. They come to us and discussion about the machinery.
Today being the first day of Plexpo, the response has been good. We are very satisfied and happy, even with the organizing team. And being a Gujarat-based company, we are very happy to participate in Plexpo. And Plexpo is happening in Gandhinagar after a long time. So we are happy to be back here and very happy with the response as of now.
How was your experience regarding this exhibition?
Yes, this is the first day and we are excited, and many customers are visiting. Basically, we are getting benefited because of this banner which is here.
Plexpo is one of the great platform, I would say. It has started today, and the first day response is really nice. We are hopeful that being a first day, it is just the beginning. Tomorrow, second day and third day, the response will be even better, being the weekend, Saturday, Sunday.
इस एग्जीबिशन का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो अच्छा है. आज जो क्राउड है वो भी अच्छा है, और हम लोग तो ये पहली बार इधर पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं, पर अभी जो टोटल ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस आज का अच्छा रहा है.
Like first day sir, इतना crowd होना मतलब that's good.
गुड, वेरी गुड.
We regularly participate this exhibition, and we get many benefits from these exhibitions. Many new customer come here. We show new technology in this exhibition.
So how was your experience regarding this exhibition? Like what are your thoughts on it?
So the exhibition is going really nice. Today we are on day 3 and we are expecting a good footfall today. The surprising part about this exhibition, which I'd like to tell you, is the first day of the exhibition, when we entered, we saw a rush of exhibitors at 11:30 a.m., which was something which was very surprising, because in our experience 11:30 on the first day is quite it is just the beginning and everything is sometimes here and there, but here 11:30 we had a rush at a stall, which was fantastic.
Yeah, like today is so much crowd here.
Yes, it is crowded. So it's day 3 and we expect crowd today. Yes.
If I ask, then what's your personal thoughts about this exhibition? Like your personal thought on it?
Yeah, this exhibition is very well organized, and we meet our old colleagues and old friends. And footfall of the customers are very good over here.
इस एग्जीबिशन में हमने जो भाग लिया है, इसमें बहुत हमारा फ़ायदा है. मतलब इतना क्राउड है, हम फर्स्ट टाइम है एग्जीबिशन में और गोल्ड स्पॉन्सर है हम. लेकिन हमें जो उम्मीद थी उससे ज़्यादा हमारा मशीन सेल भी हुआ है, और हमारा नाम भी आगे बढ़ेगा, ऐसी उम्मीद है हमको.
So it was a really great experience. I think we've exhibited earlier also, but this year also we've seen good growth, and very upcoming and potential customers also have visited us. Our existing customers also got to know a lot more about our new products which we've added, and new solutions which we can offer to them to cater to them. And also apart from that, I think like the footfall was also really great. Like as we speak, I think yesterday we saw about more than 15,000 registrations and entries in the Plexpo exhibition. So it was a good response overall.
It has been a fantastic exhibition, amazing footfalls, very nice infrastructure, and crowd has been good. The ambience, the arrangements, everything has been really very nice.
So far so good. So many good customers we have got in this exhibition. Major crowd was from local area, but we were expecting that people from other area like north area, south area will come, but not so much customer from there. They come, yeah.
But still, like a good crowd, we say.
Good crowd. We have got so many prospective customers. We can say almost 50 to 60% customer will definitely convert it into orders. Yeah.
Yeah, but hope for the best. Tomorrow is the last day, and hope for the best for it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so far we have a good experience with these exhibitions, and we thank you the organizations team and the Plexpo teams who work hard to get the visitors at the show. So at last we thank you for the everyone to visiting our stall as well.
बहुत रिस्पॉन्स है और फुटफॉल भी ज़्यादा है. हमारा जो एक्सपेक्टेशन था उससे भी ज़्यादा आज रस है. कल भी था, परसों भी था, और आज तो मेरे ख्याल से कल से डेढ़ा हो जाएगा. और अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है. विजिटर भी क्रीम आ रहे हैं सब, ऐसे कोई फालतू विजिटर नहीं आ रहे हैं. सब अच्छा ही है, बढ़िया है.
यहाँ पे देखिए जो आने वाले पब्लिक है वो बहुत जेन्युइन है और मैक्सिमम लोग बिजनेसमैन है. अच्छा फुल फॉल है यहाँ का और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स रहा यहाँ का.
इट इज़ अ ग्रेट सक्सेस. सब लोगों का, एग्जिबिटर्स का और विजिटर्स का एंथुजियाज्म इतना था, रिस्पॉन्स इतना बढ़िया मिला है. बियॉन्ड अवर एक्सपेक्टेशन रिस्पॉन्स आ गया है. लोगों को बहुत आनंद हुआ है. जो लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं किया है वो लोग का भी फ़ोन आ रहा है कि हमने पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं किया है, वो हमारी एक गलती थी. नेक्स्ट टाइम में आज की तारीख में हमारा बुकिंग लिख लो और अगले शो में हम ज़रूर आएंगे. करीबन हर रोज़ पहले दिन 12,000 विजिटर्स थे, दूसरे दिन 15 से 18,000 विजिटर्स थे, और आज तीसरा दिन है. और तीसरा दिन से हमने जो आज तक अभी तक का रिकॉर्ड देखा है, वी हैव क्रॉस 20,000 फुटफॉल. सो करीबन 3 दिन में वी हैव रीच टू 45,000 फुटफॉल.
Sir, if I say so, what's your personal thoughts on this exhibition?
Yeah, the exhibition basically was happening after 11 years, and that was the most exciting moment for everybody. Because after 11 years in the state of Gujarat in Gandhinagar, this exhibition was happening, which is one of the pioneering exhibition in India. It started much before in 1972. So that was a proud moment for us to restart this exhibition after 11 years. This is 9th edition, so it's a really proud moment for us as well as to the people who have been participating and attending this exhibition. See, seeing is believing.
Yeah, that's so great.
So that is more important. Basically, when you advertise or when you do some campaigning, it remains in your mind for very small time. But when you see something practically with your eyes and observe the things it is happening, meeting people one to one, it makes a lot of difference. And that gives an opportunity to do business or take business.
That's so true, sir.
The Plexpo India exhibition is organized by the Gujarat State Plastic Manufacturing Association every 3 years. And this time it is in Gandhinagar in December 24. So it was a big show this time, and we have got the very good participant and also cream visitors. On the first day of our exhibition visitors were more than 10,000. On the second day it was more than 15,000, and today on Sunday we are talking with you. It's a very, very, very tremendous flow.
Today is very nice footfall, I guess.
Yes, footfall is very nice also, and all visitors are also happy because they are getting the needed visitors.
Yeah, what they expected. Yeah.
All people visiting here are getting. Most of people are what they want, or they are getting their knowledge, their technology, their wishes fulfill here also, and good business they are getting. Those who have taken part in the Plexpo, and those who are visited, they are also getting very good knowledge and very good satisfaction by visiting. They are not wasting their time. They have really came here and feel that they have spent good time here and valued feedback they have got from here.
See, Plexpo was the first exhibition in India which was introduced in 1979 with some veteran people of our plastic industry who were in Gujarat, and it was successful. Then we had some gaps and everything, but now this 9th edition is one of the best edition which I have seen, and people's response is tremendous, very good. All exhibitors are very happy, and I must congratulate this current Plexpo team, particularly to Vajubai and Bharatbhai. They have organized everything very well. Stalls are well designed, and the sufficient space is given between two lanes of the exhibitors, so it is not crowded. Though there is enough persons are visiting, huge number of people are visiting, but still it is not feeling crowded because they have given us sufficient space for walking and standing. This is one of the, it's not seen in today's exhibition world. People are receiving more and more space, but these people have really given good space for walking and standing people. So exhibitors are really happy. They are getting sufficient footwork, footage, and people will get good business.
Exhibition is much more better. Last time it was not there so good, but this time, yesterday the footfall was 30,000. Today I can see that footfall is more than 35-40,000 people. Yesterday it was 30,000, the final figure was more than 30,000. Today the figure will be more than 40,000. So total expected figures was not more than 50,000, but it has already cost almost 80,000 a lakh of people. So you can see the success of the exhibition.
Hope for the best, sir. सर अगर मैं पूछूं तो आपके पर्सनल थॉट्स क्या हैं इस एग्जीबिशन को लेके? अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहें हमारे विजिटर्स को, हमारे व्यूअर्स को, तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
मैं यहाँ 35 साल से हूँ गुजरात के अंदर। मैंने सभी प्लेक्सपो इनके देखे हुए हैं। मैं इनकी कमेटी में भी रहा हूँ। इस बार का प्लेक्सपो का सबसे बड़ा जो मुझे लगा, सभी तरह के स्टॉल हैं, सभी तरह के इंडस्ट्रीज के लोग हैं, इतने सारे जो विजिटर्स आ रहे हैं, दैट इटसेल्फ इज ए इंडिकेशन कि ये एग्जीबिशन बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज हुई है।
That's so true, sir, and thank you so much for your precious time. Just thank you.